In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send all emails on Outlook. We'll walk through how to push out everything that's queued, how to forward multiple messages at once, and how to send one email to many people privately using BCC. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along right away. First, open Outlook. Before you send anything, make sure you're connected to the internet so messages don't get stuck. At the top of the Outlook window, look for the Send Receive tab. This is the hub for syncing your mailbox. Click it, then choose Send Receive All folders. This command forces Outlook to process every account and folder, sending anything waiting in your outbox and fetching any new mail. It's especially useful if you've composed messages offline or if send-receive is set to a longer schedule. Give it a moment and you should see your outbox clear as messages are sent. Next, if you need to forward several emails together, head to the folder that has them. This could be inbox, sent items, or any custom folder you've created. To pick specific messages, hold the control key and click each email you want. If you want a continuous block, click the first email, then hold shift and click the last one to select the entire range. With your selection ready, click forward on the toolbar or press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard. Outlook will open a new email with all those selected messages attached as individual items so the recipients can open each one and see the original formatting and headers. Add a clear subject, include a brief note explaining what's attached, choose your recipient, and send. Finally, if your goal is to send one message to many people without exposing everyone's addresses, compose a new email and put your own address in the To field. Then place all recipients in the BCC field. BCC, or blind carbon copy, hides recipients from one another, which is important for privacy and keeps reply all storms to a minimum. Write a concise subject, craft your message, and attach any necessary files. When you're ready, click send. If you've just added a lot of recipients or large attachments, you can return to the Send Receive tab and select Send Receive All folders again to make sure everything goes out promptly. That's it. Use Send Receive All folders to push queued mail, select and forward multiple emails when you need to bundle messages, and rely on BCC to protect recipient privacy when emailing a group.